Fluigent's OEM products build on our 15 years of pressure-based flow control expertise and proprietary technologies. We bring versatile, cost-effective, and customizable microfluidic OEM fluid handling products and systems to life science and diagnostic equipment manufacturers. Fluigent is one of the few microfluidic technology providers to engineer and manufacture products under one roof. Our expertise and team of microfluidic experts ensure the evaluation, development, manufacturing and delivery of effective OEM solutions. These can be based on custom requirements or an array of standard components for liquid handling solutions. Fluigent can design and manufacture customized subassembles or systems for specific applications drawing from our application engineering capabilities. Our services provide the benefit of our 15 years experience as pioneers in innovative flow control solution development as well as customization capabilities. Fluigent Industrial is focused on customer needs, high performance and reliability for a broad range of applications in an ISO certified environment standard certification. Fluigent has supplied more than 10,000 products and accessories over the last few years, for 65 OEM and industrial customers worldwide. We have 20 patents and continue to innovate. We have also provided more than 1,500 fully integrated OEM systems based on our experience. Our extensive development team covers electrical, mechanical, design, and microfluidic disciplines. Get in contact with us and visit our dedicated section for microfluidic OEM at fluigent.com.